pumpkin people, we have fall at Hobby Lobby. It is April 21st, and ignore my hands. My husband and I have been doing so much yard work, they look disgusting. I'm gonna try not to show them too much in this video. I'm very excited to see fall 2023 stuff, especially because some of it looks new. Like these hand soaps, they are $12.99. We have spiced pear, crisp apple, and autumn forage. I could literally smell these the second I walked in the store. I knew I was gonna find fall because these are so strong, and I love to put these in my car. They are $1.99. They are in the pumpkin spice scent. They actually have some pumpkin picks. I usually don't see these until a little bit later in the season. Let's see, $3.99 this year, if that'll focus. If you know if the price has gone up on those, let us know, but they have the orange as well. This is so exciting to see. I was kind of having a bad morning, so this is making it all better. So here is another aisle, and I'm seeing a couple things that look new to me. So some of this stuff is returning, but I do not remember these. These are really cute little oil paintings or faux oil paintings, and they're only $5.49. They also come in the apple and the pear, and it's giving Studio McGee, Hearth in Hand, vintage, really pretty. They also have these signs: have a cozy day, 'tis the season to be folly, fall, la 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 la. I like the color of these. You guys know I'm not into the wordy signs a whole lot, but these aren't too bad. And $15.99, I don't think that's a terrible price. These are the first fall mugs that I've seen out in the wild. $10.99. This one is super cute. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if this cow with the sunflowers is new. I don't remember it before, but I could have just overlooked it. And then they have, like, you know, I feel like that could be everyday art, as well as these. They do have these craft gnomes that I think you could paint for $8.99. I know a lot of people are over the gnomes, so we'll move quickly past those. And they have these as well. I think this is the only other fall aisle, but they have these garlands, which are really pretty, $44.99. Hi, voiceover me here. The price of this garland has actually come down. In 2021, this was $60, so that's good news. I think these are the same picks that we saw before. And then these were some of the first things that came out last year, so I'm not surprised to see them again. If you want to get a head start on your crafting, they do have some of the little white pumpkins as well. They have this odd shaped one, some orange. The odd shape comes in orange as well. Some pillar candles. This one looks really cute. Plentiful Harvest tea lights. And they also have the soap and pumpkin spice. Last things that I'm seeing are some doormats and then the straw bales. We will be back to check for more stuff though. I'm pleasantly surprised with what they have. Oh, I lied. There are just a couple more things in the dried floral section. Some pumpkins, some dark brown bunny tails. And then they also have like the rusty colored bunny tails, and this grass and some wheat. And we are starting to see some of the faux floral picks come out for fall as well. These were some of my favorite last year. I got the wreath that matched them, the curly pumpkin stems, and some acorns. So that is what my Hobby Lobby has out new for fall 2023. Let me know if you guys have seen anything in any stores yet, and if you're getting excited for fall. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye now.